On May 16, 2024, near Quemado, Texas, U.S. Border Patrol agents responded to activity reported in the area. According to official information released by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, agents encountered an individual during their response. The situation escalated during the interaction, leading to a use of force incident. The encounter was captured on a Border Patrol agent's body-worn camera.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, I got a guy here who's combatant. Can you come my way?
Oh,
What's the
all units until we figure out what's going on with this call. Units on that situation. What's the status of you guys out there? Unit trying to transmit your.
Shots fired. Hey, shots fired. Shots fired. What's the
Alpha Jones Drive in Quemado, toward the river.
We will now transition to the body-worn camera footage showing the encounter between the agent and the suspect.
Arrodíllese. 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 No, arrodíllese. Si tiras algo te voy a matar. Te disparo. Te disparo. Arrodíllese. 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 Go ahead.
During the confrontation, the agent discharged his weapon after perceiving a threat.
Arrodíllese. Arrodíllese. Shots fired. Shots fired. Arrodíllese. Arrodíllese. Hey, shots fired. Shots fired. Arrodíllese.
Alpha Jones Drive.
I'm trying to take care of the wounds right now. Señor, ¿qué sientes? Señor, señor, ¿qué sientes?
Muerte.
¿Ah?
Muerte.
Estoy tratando de parar la sangre. No te preocupes, señor. Vas a vivir, ¿ok?
Ay. Ay.
Vas a estar bien.
Hey, what's your status out there?
I'm treating the subject's wounds right now. He's been shot in the leg.
Do I have any assisting or going out to assist? Shots fired.
Hello, güey, hello.
Yeah, I'm just worried about the shooters in the area.
Hello, güey.
Sir, you're on the radio.
Yes. ¿Por qué me puedo México, man?
10-4, do we have the status on?
¿Me puedo México, man?
Negative, that's okay. I know it's on.
¿Por qué a México esto?
Just for me, I'll still check on it.
Señor,
Perdón.
tú vas a vivir, ¿ok?
I want to notify DPS if anyone is in the area to assist as well.
Estoy hablando con agua.
No tengo agua. No, aquí tengo agua, mira.
Copy agents.
My cloth on right here.
Ay.
Do you have an undershirt by chance?
Yeah, I do. Can you? If you hold this, I can get it out.
Ay. Ay, güey.
¿Cómo te llamas, señor? Shit, I hope he's not going out.
Did it go through?
I don't know.
Units on the ground, be
I don't think-
advised, I have.
Here, could you hold pressure with your knee instead of your hand?
Yeah.
Like put all your fucking body weight on it.
Okay.
Oh. Ay. Ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. No te olvides, vete cuidado.
Todo está bien, señor. Cálmate.
I'm right with them right now. I'm not sure what's going on there.
No, man. Au.
¿Te calmas? ¿Te calmas?
Ay. Ay, me estás chingando por la pata grasoso.
He's putting a tourniquet on right now.
Oh, thank you for coming out.
Ay, ay, ay. 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 Ay.
¿Te calmas?
Man.
Hey man, the comms are really bad. I can't even get up on the radio either.
Ay, güey. Habla tú.
Someone up close, switch the and realize he was.
Au. Au.
Hey sir, can you guys please keep us abreast of what's going on and keep them on the regular channel so we can copy everything.
Hablándome, señor. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Estás en la pata, me estás viendo, güey.
¿De dónde eres?
Following the shooting, agents immediately moved in and began rendering aid. They checked for a pulse, applied medical support, and continued life-saving efforts for several minutes at the scene. CPR was administered as additional assistance was requested. Despite their attempts to stabilize him, the situation remained critical. Air medical evacuation was requested, but was unavailable due to weather conditions, and emergency personnel continued treatment on the ground. Ultimately, despite sustained medical efforts, the man was later pronounced deceased by a physician. The incident is under official review, and findings will be made public following the completion of the investigation.